Exercise.
Keep your core strong and keep your arm as straight as possible. For this exercise, once again, we are going to keep a core strong and focus on the movement. It's now time to get your little weight or no weight. It's up to you guys. We are going to do some arm cycle as we did in the first exercises, but with some weights, focusing on the movement and keep the core strong as usual.
Exercise.
For the arms opening exercises, think about reaching your hands together and open your chest and your arms straight and go back together. The next exercise is arms curl. Think about the movement slowly and strong. The next exercise will be a row and a biceps curls. For this one, think about getting your arms as straight as possible towards the back. Really think about reaching as far as you can backwards. And now we're going back into an arms curl and a shoulder press with some weights. Keep the core strong.
Exercise.
For the next exercise, we are gonna keep our arms straight and go up and down really slowly. Up and down really slowly. It's now time to do a shoulder press again. Make those shoulders burn. Let's go! For the next one, we are going back into a rowing position. Make sure you take your elbow up and feel the strength. Keep the arms straight and lift it up backwards. This is called the backward extension. are only going to play with the elbow with the rowing extension. One arm at a time. We are gonna do the left first.
Exercise.
Now we can change the position and do the right arm.
Exercise.
One more time, we are going to do an arm curls.
Exercise.
And now arms curl and shoulder press.
Exercise.
Let's go for a last rowing exercise. I got a little surprise for you guys. It's now time to go down onto your mat. We are going to do an arm lift on each side while we stay strong on a plank position. While doing this exercise, keep a core strong and try not to move too much your body. Just stay in a static position and lift your arm one at a time.
Exercise.
Now for each side we are gonna do an arm lift followed by an arm extension. Oh my god guys, we are nearly there. 2 more exercises and we are done.
Exercise.
Just before our last exercise, we are going to do a plank up and down on our elbows. Let's go! And the last one, it's just a killer plank cross knee. This one is gonna kill our abs and keep our back, shoulder and arm strong.